If the factory puddle lights in your 09 to 14 F-150 are either burned out or maybe a little bit dim, well then it's time to start looking into an affordable yet quality upgrade like the option we have here from Morimoto. Now these XB LED puddle lights will replace your entire housing with a brand new piece from Morimoto, which are loaded with high-powered Osram LEDs, off right around that $30 to $40 price point. So if you guys didn't know, Morimoto is one of the top producers of aftermarket lighting for a wide variety of vehicles, obviously including the F-150. Now, I would argue they're probably most known for their headlights or taillight offerings, but they do also offer a number of smaller lighting solutions such as fog lights, or in this case, your puddle lights. Now, right off the bat, guys, I do want to make it perfectly clear here that these are designed to strictly replace the factory puddle lights in your 09 to 14 truck. These are not meant to add them to a truck that is not already equipped, so just keep that in mind. Now, if you are replacing your stock housings, here are a few things you can expect. First and foremost, these things are going to be extremely bright. In fact, considerably brighter than those of your factory puddle lights, as mentioned by a number of our customers in the review section. As always, check those out if you haven't done so already. Now that brightness is thanks to the 18 individual Osram LEDs loaded up here per housing, which will shine nice and bright at a 6000 K color temperature. Again, that bright white light, maybe a small touch of blue. Now those LEDs are loaded into the durable ABS plastic housing, topped off with a clear UV coated polycarbonate lens. And that UV coating there is just to help prevent any fading or yellowing over the years, help keep these things looking good and shining bright for years to come. Last but not least here, guys, the puddle lights from Morimoto do come with a 2-year limited warranty, just in case you run into any issues. But now we actually want to shift gears and get into the install, and so I'm just going to call this a solid 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and about an hour at absolute most from start to finish. Again, I think that's a bit generous. Probably knock these out in about half of that time. But regardless, give you a better idea of just how things will go down on your F-150 at home, here's an AT customer to walk you through it now.
Tools you need are just a standard screwdriver, some needle nose pliers, and your replacement puddle light. Locate your puddle light. This side with the divot for your screwdriver has a movable or a flexible clip, whereas this side opposite has just like a hard spot. So pry down just a little bit, it'll come loose. You can then hold it, reach your screwdriver in, and depress the thing. Detach your wires. There's a black for your negative and a black and a blue for your positive. Just attach them. You can test whether the light is working I just hit the unlock button on my vehicle. It illuminates, and then you just secure it back up into the light housing. And there we are, job done.
So if you are looking to really increase the output of the puddle lights on your 09 to 14 F-150 at home, then be sure to check out these options from Morimoto right here at AmericanTrucks.com.